As a movement artist, I'm interested in how the slow growth of lichens, their symbiotic qualities and adherence to the earth, might inform gentle movement and cultivate soft bodily resilience to some of the stresses of these times. Crustose, foliose, fruticose, the different lichen forms thrive everywhere, on buildings, trees, rocks, road signs and gravestones. For this period of research, I've adopted lichens as my more than human mentors, attempting to notice and learn from them in the places in which they thrive. To move as lichen is to combine our differences, to make something complex and unusual. Back in June 2024, at the beginning of the project, I take a walk across Newtown with Oral Davis curator Stephanie, and we find ourselves in St David's Cemetery, wandering amongst the graves, looking at the different patterns across those lichen, and we come across the grave of John Roberts, the old famous harpist from Newtown, and we notice on his grave, amongst the script that memorialises him, it's also patterned with lots of crustose lichen. So later on in September, I invite my friend, the harpist Kerry Owen Jones from Drenewydd, to come to the graveyard and visit John Roberts' grave. Kerry brings his harp, and after spending time thinking about John Roberts, he gently leans his harp against the grave and begins to play through the lichen colonies, along with the other sounds that he can hear in the graveyard, the rooks, the traffic, the general sounds of the space. I'm interested in how, as humans, we can create relationships with these quite mysterious and ancient organisms. What is it to address a lichen, to be in correspondence, out of the realm of kind of scientific scrutiny, as one being with another, one organism with another?